record. Okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Inshallah, today we have like a quick revision on lesson 1, 2, and 3. Lesson 1, inshallah, we're going to talk about sets of numbers. We're going to revise all the sets of numbers. This is number 1 here. Then we're going to talk about rationals, terminating and repeating decimals. This is number 2. And number 3, the last lesson, how we add and subtract integers. Okay, let's go directly to our session. But before we start, if you need anything, raise your hand. If the sound is not clear, just let me know. If the screen, anything bother you, just let me know. Okay, so let's get started, but let's make sure it's working. Fahd, can you hear me, Fahd?
Teacher.
Yeah, you hear me clearly?
Yes.
That's very good. Okay, so let's get started directly. Guys, I muted all of you, so don't worry. If you need anything, raise your hand. I will unmute you. Okay, let's get started directly with the first lesson, sets of numbers. Okay, so we're going to talk about the sets of numbers. Let's go to the first part. Here. Okay, so you can help me here, guys. Who can remind me what was the first set of number we used? The first set. Who can tell me that? Yes, Naif.
Yes, hello, teacher.
No
It's
worries.
N.
It's N. Do you know what's N? The name of N? It's abbreviation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Natural numbers or counting numbers?
Yeah, that's great. So the first set of numbers is called natural numbers. And natural numbers, its symbol is N. And N is the numbers we used to count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, extra. Okay, so this was the first set we used. Okay, number 2. Who can tell me set number 2? Yusuf.
Set number 2 is whole numbers.
Whole numbers. So what's the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers?
There's a 0 in
Yeah.
whole number.
So whole numbers, it's exactly as in, but we add 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, extra. Okay, so what else, guys? What is set number 3? What other numbers we need? So let's go to Hamza. What do you think, Hamza?
Teacher, the integers.
Yeah, integer numbers. Integer numbers. Okay, so what is the letter representing integers? Yeah. Remember?
No, I forget.
Okay, so let's go to Abdulaziz. What do you think, Abdulaziz?
It's negative.
Yeah, I'm talking about the letter representing integers.
Z.
Z, yeah, that's good. So what are numbers inside Z?
Negative from negative 1.
From the middle, we have 0, okay? To the right, huh?
We have 1, 2, 3.
1,
Natural.
2, 3, 4. So this is exactly like the whole numbers. Then to the left, we have
Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, extra.
That's great. Okay. So what else we may need, guys? What do you think? What else? What is number 4? And we started number 4 already. What about you, Ammar?
Yeah, mister.
Yeah, what is set number 4?
It's rational numbers.
Yeah, great. Rational numbers. Okay. So what is the letter stands for rational numbers?
Q.
Q. You know how to represent Q?
Yeah, it's anything that can be A over B, but B cannot be 0.
Yeah, that's great. It's any number you can write it as a fraction, A over B. Okay,
Yeah.
but we have one condition, Amar. Remember what was the condition?
Yeah, that B cannot be 0.
Yeah, so this means I can write any fraction, but in one condition, denominator here, B, not equal to 0. Maybe
Yeah.
you're confused about A and B. Guys, A and B are any numbers belong to Z. Means A and B may be positive, maybe negative, maybe 0, but just A. B impossible to be 0. That's good, guys. So this is number 1, okay? This representing number 1 sets of numbers, but I'm gonna write some numbers like -3, 2.1, 0, 1.5, 5 over 0. Now, who wanna share with me, guys, here these questions? Let's go down to Ryan. Are you there, Ryan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tell me, Ryan, -3. Can you see -3?
Yes.
Is it natural?
No.
Good. Is it whole?
No.
Is it integer?
Yes.
So Z. Is it rational?
No.
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
Ryan.
Mm.
Any number in Z or W or N already inside Q, because you can write it over 1, Ryan. So 3, you can write it like, or -3, you can write it -3 over 1, so that you can represent it as a fraction. So yeah, sure, it's rational. Now let's move to the second number, 2.1. And let's go with Khalid. Khalid, are you there? Khalid? Okay, Khalid is not here. Let's go to Muaz. Muaz, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, Muaz, -1. Is it natural? Sorry, 2.1. This number, 2.1. Is it natural?
No.
No. Whole?
Yes, I think.
Can you see it here? Can you see any points here? Any decimals? No.
No.
So it's not whole. Is it integer?
No.
Is it rational?
I see no.
Yeah, but you can write any decimal as a fraction, Muaz.
Yes,
2.1.
but like I do not.
Yeah, you
I
can
do
write
not
it like
see like
21
the
out of 10.
2.1.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. So you can write it
Yeah,
as
but
a
like I do
fraction.
not see the. I do not see the 2.1 in the rational numbers.
Okay, but
So,
2.1, we can write it as a fraction. So yes, it's rational. So it belongs to Q. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go to Saleh. Saleh, are you there?
Teacher.
Okay, tell me Saleh. Zero. Is it natural?
4.
0. No, I'm talking about 0 now.
No.
No. Is it whole?
Yes.
So W here. Is it integer?
Yes.
So Z here also. Is it rational?
Yes.
So yeah, very good. So yes, Q is here too. Just let me scroll up. Yeah, so Q. Now 1.5. 1.5, and let's go to who? Rahi.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, 1.5. Is it rational? Sorry, let's start from the beginning. Is it natural?
No,
No. Is it whole?
no,
Is it integer?
no,
Is it rational?
yeah,
Yeah, because we can write it as a fraction. Thank you, Rahi.
welcome.
And Sati. Fahd, Sati, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, tell me, Fahd. 5 over 0. Is it natural?
no,
Is it whole?
no,
Is it integer?
no,
Is it rational?
yes.
No, it's not rational. You know why?
Why?
Because it's over what? What's the number down
Zero.
here? So that's
Zero.
impossible. This is the condition here. B not equal 0. So this number doesn't belong to any of the previous sets. Okay, guys? Nice. So this was the first part in our session, number 1. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, we're going to talk about terminating and repeating decimals, okay? Here. Guys, you know, some fractions, we can convert them to be decimals. And this decimal terminates. Terminates means ends. Okay? And the others, we cannot. For example, 1 over 2 or half. Who can tell me as a decimal, 1 over 2 as a decimal equals what? Or half as a decimal equals what, guys? What do you think? Huh? No one? Hamza, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. Half Hamza as a decimal, it's what?
I think it's 0.5.
Excellent. Tell me, Hamza, it has an end?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so this one is terminating decimal. Thank you, Hamza. What about, guys, what about 1 out of 5? Ahmed Zahid.
Yes.
1 out of 5 equals what as a decimal, Ahmed?
1 out of 5.
Yeah.
0.20.
0.20 or 0.2. So it has an end, Ahmed. It terminates.
Yes.
So this one also a terminating decimal.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, but your screen is black.
The screen is black.
See. Yes.
You cannot see? Okay, just a minute. I'm going to share it one more time. Tell me, can you see it? Just a minute. Huh? Can you see it right now?
No.
Okay, I'm going to share it again. Don't worry. Stop sharing and share it one more time. Now, can you see it?
No, it's still black.
Now, you're going to see it now.
I will leave and come back.
Okay, maybe it's a problem in your device. Okay, so let's go to Saleh. Saleh. Saleh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you see the screen, Saleh?
Yes.
That's good. Can you tell me 3 out of 4 as a decimal is what, Saleh?
It's
Okay, anyone can remind Saleh? Saleh cannot remember. So what about Mishari? Mishari, 3 out of 4. Mishari, are you there? Mishari is not replying. Rahi.
yes, teacher.
3 out of 4 as a decimal, Rahi, equals what?
It's 0.75.
That's good. So it's terminates or repeats? It's a terminating decimal or repeating decimal? Tell me, it has an end or not?
Yes.
Yes, so it's terminating decimal. This one too, 4 out of 5, it's 0.8. It has an end. So this one also, so all this column terminates.
Terminating.
Yeah, so these are terminating decimals. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go to the other part. And I'm gonna go to let me see. Okay, Ammar.
Mister.
Tell me, Ammar, third. Can you make it
Yeah.
over 10 or over 100 or over 1,000?
No.
Okay. Can you make it over 9 or over 99 or over 999?
Yes.
By multiplying by what, Ammar?
By 3.
Okay, so
Well,
let's
3 up
multiply.
and down.
Yeah, that's good. So this is gonna be what out of what?
It will be 3/9.
3 out over 9. As a decimal, Ammar,
Yes.
how can we write 3 out of 9 as a decimal?
0.3 bar or
So you mean
0.3,
3 extra. But you know, we cannot write
Yeah.
it like that. So we're gonna
Yeah.
abbreviate it and write it 3.0.3 bar.
3 bar.
There is another way to do that. You remember? How can we do it? Using long division.
Yeah.
Right? But this
Yeah.
one is, you know, it's a little bit hard, or you need a lot of time. Okay, so the same idea, 2 out of 9 directly, it's already out of 9. So you can write it as what?
2
bar. Okay,
Yeah.
I need another one. Let's go to Yusuf. 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 Yusuf is not here. He's busy. Yes, so Naif.
Yes, okay.
Okay, how can we convert 3 out of 11 to be decimal?
By multiplying by 9.
That's good. So gonna be what out of what?
It's going to be 99.
Yeah. And up 20. Huh? 27. Okay. So this number, guys, is gonna be 0.27 bar. So this part, guys, is called repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. Okay, that's good. So this is the second part of our session. Let's go back to the third part. The third part is how to add and subtract. And I prepared it for you guys here. This one. I told you these problems, guys, they are like real life problems. Take it from the concept of losing, okay, and finding. So the first one, for example, -3 minus 2. And as I told you, the difference between minus and negative is just the pronunciation. If you're gonna read it, all of it, it's -3 minus 2. If you're gonna read it part by part like that, so this is -3 and this is -2. How can we do it? Like that, guys. -3 means you lost 3, then you lost another 2, so you lost 5. This one, same idea. You lost 1, then you found 4. So the total at the end, you lost 1, then you found 4, so you found 3. Okay, I need you to share me solving the rest of them, guys, and let's go with Abdelaziz. Are you there? Okay, tell me, Abdelaziz, -3 plus 1.
-3 plus 1 equals negative
Equal negative what? I couldn't hear you.
-2. -2.
-2, excellent. Can you do the second one too? 2 minus 9?
2 minus 9. -7.
Excellent. You found 2, but you lost 9, so you lost 7.
No.
That's great. Thank you very much. Let's go to who didn't answer. So Abdullah. Abdullah, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, tell me, Abdullah. -2 plus 2.
-2 plus 2, 0.
Excellent. Okay. Can you help me with the first one in the second column?
Yes,
Okay, go on.
it will be 7.
Can you explain it to me?
Negative and negative will be plus.
That's
So we
great.
will add 3 and 4.
So this one means it's a 3 plus 4.
Plus 4.
So let's stop here, guys. Sometimes we're gonna find negative and negative, or positive
Will be-
and positive.
will
Both
be
of them,
positive.
guys, I'm gonna erase both of them and put one positive only. So negative, negative is positive. Like exactly Abdullah did in the first one. Okay, what if it's a positive, negative? or negative positive, both of them will turn to be negative.
Negative.
That's great. Who can share me the second one, guys? And let's go to Faisal Sadoun. Faisal.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go to the second one.
Okay. -5 minus +3.
That's
So
great.
negative,
Yeah.
negative and positive, they equal negative.
So we're
Minus.
gonna write it like that. -5 minus 3. Take it slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Equals what, Faisal?
So you lost 5 and then you lost other 5, so -8.
-8. That's great. Go on to the second one too. It's the same idea.
Okay. -1 plus -6. So negative plus positive, they equal negative. So -1 minus 6.
Okay, so what
So,
would be the answer?
It equals -7.
That's nice. Excellent. So I don't know who is me. Yes. Who are you, please? Me? Hello? Me? I don't know what's your name. Okay. So let's go to Fadi. Fadi, are you there?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Mhm.
This one. 3 minus -3.
Equal 6.
That's great. So these two are gonna turn to be positive. So it will be like 3 plus 3 equals 6. The last one, guys, I'm gonna solve it. -8, positive negative, gonna turn to -1, and there's gonna be -9, guys. Now I need you to get ready. We have 8 minutes left in the session. Okay, so I need you to get ready. I have an exercise here with you. Let's get started. Go on, guys. I'm gonna make it classic. Go on. I need you to join. Let's solve this one. Let's practice.
Okay.
Yalla, hurry up.
I hold on again.
Even if the session is finished, you can continue. Okay, nice, nice. Great. Very good. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys.
Teacher, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting, but hurry up. Nice, excellent. Now I have like 12 players till now. Good, 14 players. Okay, I'm gonna start right now, guys. 1, 2, nice, 16 players. 3, yeah, let's get started, guys. Adding and subtracting integers. First question, -5 plus -7. Go on. I have 16 answers here. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Stop.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so we have just one mistake. Guys, positive, negative, 18 correct answer. Positive, negative, gonna be negative. So it's -5 minus 7. It's -12. Excellent, guys. So let's go to the next one. Rahi in the first place. Hurry up. The goal of this Kahoot, skip this one, guys. We don't need it. Okay. Let's go directly. -5 plus 7. Oh, 15 answers in 6 seconds. Nice. We have 4 mistakes, guys. -5, you lost 5, then you found 7. So you found 2 more. Okay, Mishal. Mishal is here. Sorry, Mishal. 5 plus -7. How many mistakes? Okay. So we have Rahi again in the top. Guys, the session is about to finish. No, we still have 9 minutes. That's great. Okay. Nice, nice. It's -12, positive negative gonna convert to be negative or minus. So -12 minus 15, it's -27. Go on. Well done, guys. Well done. Me see the chat. Just a minute. I'm gonna direct that chat. No one. Okay. So nice, 16 correct answer. Guys, it's like 12 minus 15. So it's -3. Correct? Next one. Okay. Naif on the top now. Okay. We have 19 answers. 20 answers. Good, guys. It's -12. You lost 12, then you found 15. So it's +3. Question number 8. -3 plus 4 minus 5. Okay, let me explain this one. I have 4 incorrect answers. Okay. Guys, firstly, I will solve the first 2. Okay, so -3 plus 4, it's +1. So these 2 is +1. But positive, negative, gonna be -5. So it's like that. +1 minus 5, it's -4, guys. So do it step by step. The next question gonna be the last question because I will move to another Kahoot. Go on. Mashallah, you're very quickly, guys. Okay, let's do step by step, guys. -3 plus 4, it's 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now let's see the winner. The winner till now is Fadi. Fadi, you're the winner. Tomorrow, ask me for your prize. And we have another Kahoot. So I'm going to end this one right now because it's very long. It's 20 questions, but I can assign it for you guys, okay? So don't worry. I will send it to you to solve all of it. Now, let's go to the other part of our session about terminating and repeating decimals. Go on. I need you to join this one too. We still have 5 minutes in our session. This is about the second part in our lesson, about sets of numbers, about terminating decimals, about repeating decimals. Guys, sorry, I need you to write your real names. So I will kick anyone, okay? Doesn't use his real name. Okay, that's good. Nice, nice. So who will be honored with Fadi? We're gonna see that. Who will be honored with Fadi? That's good. So let's start. Guys, math broadcast gonna be on Wednesday, so I'm gonna honor the winners. Fadi won the first one. What about the second? 4 out of 6. Is it terminating or repeating? By the way, 4 out of 6 is 2 out of 3, guys. Okay? So 4 out of 6 is the same as 2 out of 3. It's one of the common fractions. One of the fractions we studied in details. Okay, so yeah, guys, it's terminating. It's not terminating. It's 2 out of 3. It's 0.6 bar, guys. So it's not terminating. It's repeating. Next question. One out of 8. Okay, can you make 8, 10, or 100, or 1,000? Or 1,000. Okay, let's see that. I don't know Yazan is here or not, but Yazan asked me about 8 exactly in the class. Yeah, guys, 8, we can make it 1,000 by multiplying by 125. So it's terminating. Go on. 14 out of 20. This is easy. Can you convert 20 to be 10 or 100 or 1,000? If you can, it's terminating. If you cannot, it's repeating. That's good. It's terminating, guys. This number is 7 out of 10, means 0.7. Okay, next question. 2 out of 3, and we already answered this one. What do you think? So I'm gonna skip it. One of you left the competition, I think. So yeah, repeating. That's good. It's 0.6 bar, guys. So we have Turkey and Bogami. Nice. Well done. Well done, Turkey. 1 out of 3. I solved this one today. Repeating. That's a great. So, oh, Abdulaziz is fighting Turkey. Next question. 2 out of 5, guys. 2 out of 5. Terminating or repeating? Who will be honored? Terminating, yeah, it's 0.4, one of the common ones. So we have Turkey bogamy again. Okay, question number 7. Guys, the next question will be the last. The next one will be the last. I'm telling you from now because the session is about to finish. 4 out of 5, terminating or repeating. What do you think? Yeah, that's great. So Yusuf, Shira is not solving alone. Okay, I saw you, Yusuf. The last question. 8 out of 11. The last question. This will be the last question. The session is about to finish, guys. So who's the winner? Let's see the winner. The winner is Turkey bogamy.